We're having a look at how to trade the New York session. Start down here. This is SPX. Notice this stop run. The white line is the New York Open. Also notice this box finishes here. Now it's up to you. You can wait for the box to paint, or you can run off this signal here. Let me show you how effective this strategy is. We'll go through and have a look at some results. And then I'll get into the nitty-gritty in terms of the strategy. So I'll just run through, have a look at some results. The German 40, which is the main reason for the box. Then it wasn't really worthwhile after that. It was fairly range-bound. But yeah, the box will tell you to be careful through this time. As you saw, that was a stop run. So that was a no-show. Okay, we'll have a look at gold. All right, again, you can jump the gun and go after the session open. You can go with this green signal if you like. Nice, 6.8R. Or you can wait for the box to complete. And we're in the green zone here, so we could take that. All right, so just run through. We'll have a look at a few. And again, as I mentioned, I'll explain the strategy. This is the New York session. New York opens here. It's 8 a.m. We've got the box kicking off here and completing here. You can jump the gun if you like, take that green signal. It actually happened back in here, but this is why we've got this box to delay, because that's a stop run and it's actually red there. All right, so we don't want you to short that. Hence, this box generally confirms that. There's a reason for why it's delayed and it's not targeting the first hour or so after the session opens. The equities generally open around 9:30, and quite often we see stop runs and volatility around that time, and then the trend kicks off. That's the reason for the delay, and the box is set up to kick off here. Let's just run through and have a quick look. Okay, dollar yen, let's have a look at that. New York session, 5-minute chart. This is why we have the box. Avoid getting taken out by the stop run. The first signal kicks in here. So far, we've had a pretty good outcome. Stop loss there, go for 2R. By the way, I'll start to introduce a few things. CMM1, this line, that's a measured move. Measured move. It's measuring that. Okay, so the opening range is measured, and that's generally not a bad spot for a target, as you can see, within a couple of pips or so. Dollar CAD, let's have a look at that. Again, the reason for the box. So we avoid getting taken out with this stop run. The box breakout happens here, and our first sell signal happens here. This indicator tells that sellers are in control. I guess I can start to introduce some of the strategy. So we go short. You can access these indicators, by the way, and it's completely free to trial them. So there's your signal there. Short, you could take it as it's firing. The stop loss and target, okay, let me explain that quickly. See the red shaded zone? See the red poking up here, right? You've got it there. That's your stop loss level. This signal is to go short, okay, so we sell here. And this MM1 is measured move. That's a measured of this initial, or the initial balance, this range generally works out. And as you can see, again, it worked out. Generally speaking, not in 100% of cases, but it's not a bad target. No, let's just go somewhere up here. The pound, let's have a look at the pound dollar. Which one of these would you not want to take, guys? Look. Okay, again, the system gets you out of trouble. This is bearish. We got the box, and if you want to, you can jump the gun and go in early. If you wait for the box, that's your entry point long. So far, it's been quite a profitable outcome, as you can see. Long position, see the target up there. Now look, here's the thing. Target 1, there's your M+1 and there's your M+2. Just look how these targets tend to work out. So you could take partials off at 1 and then look to close at 2. What's that? 5R. Not bad. Let's just work our way up. Let's have a look at the yen, pound yen. Gain access to the indicators. This is why we use the box. Gain access to the indicators and try them for an entire 2 weeks. completely free of charge. So this is where the strategy keeps you out of trouble. Let me explain. All right, there's your box. So you're not going to get involved with that or that. The box completes, and then green kicks in after the box. All right, the box completes there. This is your first signal right there, and the green shaded zone. That's your entry point. So this is just a bearish break under the box. Don't take any notice of that. This shaded zone and this signal is your confirmation. It's telling you that buyers are in control. We don't have sellers in control here. So you don't take that bearish move. A lot of traders would have got caught and they would have shorted that. But our system has been a slow process to develop these over time, guys, to basically beat market volatility, the chaos that's in the markets at the moment with, all the tariffs and geopolitical issues. Okay, there's your target point there. Not bad. The markets have become incredibly volatile since, firstly, let me just mark something up here. Firstly, the Bank of Japan increased their rates, right? 25 basis points, if you remember. Yeah, nice. Let's just have some pound Aussie. Let's just go there. Bank of Japan rate rise. See, the box gets you out of trouble, as does the momentum sink indicator. So the Bank of Japan rate rise caused incredible volatility, and look at this target in the markets, if you'll remember. So here's target 1, and see here's MM. This is measured move number 2. How many times has this touched it within a pip or two? Yeah, the market's shifted gears dramatically, guys. BOJ rate rise, and let's just go the euro. Euro dollar's pretty popular, and look at it. I mean, which one of these? Seriously. All right, so the box gets you away from getting caught trading that. The box completes here. Our buy signal kicks in here. All right, we enter. Target 2 wasn't reached. Okay, target 1, nice, but you might want to go to target 2. Close 50%, move your stop loss to break even, and then you're in the money regardless. You might remember that the markets, the markets, let's just have a look at the Euro CAD. The markets crashed after the BOJ rate rise. The markets took a really big dive. Okay, that was a bit of a non-event. So I've mentioned this in previous videos. When after this here, it's either going to trend that way, or it's going to do that. And in this case, it was a non-event. So you might have got caught out with that one, possibly. Yeah, we're in the green. You probably would have got caught out. Fair enough. Long position. In fact, if you got aggressive, you could have got in back there, but, let's not do that. Let's wait for that. And we're all in a green through here. This is still green coming out of here. So I'm thinking, you could have, given that this is trending up here, that pullback could have been a thing. But, that was a no-show. Actually, if you're going 2R, was our stop loss? Yeah, you never know. Just depending where you got involved, that's a bit wide there. All right, let's just say you lost one. It doesn't matter. Where are we going? CAD. Yeah, CAD yen. Yeah, that one wasn't. Some of them are better than others. Okay, so what do we got here? We wait for the box, then we've got nothing after that. There's no signal. So we got conflict, a bullish break, and a little bit of a red thing here. Don't touch it. There's nothing in there. Okay, it's a conflicting signal, so we just leave it alone completely. You wait for these setups, guys. That's a setup. See that? Yeah, and then, we had the the US elections and the volatility leading into the US elections. Then Trump took office and all the tariffs and what have you have been causing chaos and mayhem. 4R. Nice. And the markets have become incredibly volatile. So I've been working diligently, you have no idea how many hours I've put into this, but developing this system, this strategy, the indicators, looking to beat market volatility and come out on top. And I have to say, we are absolutely smashing it. This was actually launched, I got into it Thursday, but Friday was the official launch of this particular configuration of all the indicators that I've been developing and the trading strategy, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so, it's a growing, continually evolving process. So this particular configuration, it really came together on Friday. Brilliant results with it on Friday, and I'm thinking more of the same moving forward. This is the key, this indicator here. I'll just show you a couple of things. This tracks the 30-minute, the 1 hour, and the 2 hour. And when buyers or sellers dominate across these time frames, it will paint the signal. And it'll give you the shaded zone, which is the stop loss level. You just follow that shaded zone. And in the background is the 15-minute. This is a 5-minute chart. The background is a 15-minute at the moment. You can change that. Now you can double these up if you like. See how both the 15 and, if you want both of those to come together, it gave you that. And so there's nothing until that green kicks off. Same thing here, but it might be a little bit delayed. But you just got to play around with it, guys. But anyway, look, there's a completely free 14-day trial period. You can check it out. And look, after that, if you decide this is for you, it's only $29.95. Just show me lunch. That's all I'm asking at the moment. To gain access, let's head over to the website. It's anthonyfx.com. And look, you're gaining access. We've got a Forex Telegram channel. You can auto-copy these signals. We've got a crypto channel. You can auto-copy these signals over to your exchange. I'll show you that. Let's have a look at Telegram. Get some of these that we closed on Friday. So this is the Forex VIP. So these signals, if we just go up, these are all closed. I closed the whole basket of trades. New order. Okay, that's how they're formatted. And you can automatically copy these with TS Copier, or it's cheaper to get me to do it for you, and I do it on my end. So it'll save you money. And we can set up an auto copy trade management thing. So that's that one. That's FX. You got the crypto channel where you can set up auto trading, one-click follow, or set up auto trading where it automatically, and you can see here, Binance, Bing, Bidget, Bybit, Coinbase. So these are all spot, Huobi, KuCoin. So all these exchanges. Now I could, if you want to go leveraged, I could make that adjustment. Last one was a Bitcoin. This is doing well. And then, of course, we've got Discord. This is really important. VIP down in here. Okay, we've got daily mentorship. So you get my members-only videos. Here are my mistakes so you don't have to make them. The alerts, deep dive, session market watch, Forex trades. I take a snapshot of all my trades and place them in here in real time, so you can copy, from that if you like. But these ones go into Telegram. Then you get Forex ideas that are suggestions, right? And then you've got all the tutorials, the indicator tutorials, trading strategies. I've got to put a few more videos in there, but yeah, all the VIP stuff. Free for 14 days and only $29.95. It's ridiculous. A month after that. Lock it in because that's going to go up. All right, guys. So that's trading the New York Open. Gain immediate access if you join through here. Click on this WAP link and go back into WAP, and then you'll be able to click on all of these things here and it'll automatically set everything up for you. Automatically set up your access. Okay, so with that, have a fantastic day and we're going to have a good week next week. I'm looking forward to it. See you in the next one.